Welcome to Housing Valley. Our application is mostly based on predicting house prices, mostly concentrating on the city of Bengaluru. We'll be using a wide variety of ML models and give an accurate price for a particular house in the city of Bangalore. So this application is mostly useful for the people who are coming from outside, from different cities, who are migrating into the city. And when a new person comes into the city, he doesn't have a proper understanding of where to stay or where to live, or even if it's looking into buying a new property, he gets confused whether to buy a property or whether to rent a property, or even he doesn't know current location, or doesn't know what the location possess. So our application helps in that aspect, in getting a proper understanding about the location, like whether the location is good or not, whether it's good for school, whether it's good for children or not, even whether the location has a proper access or not. So our application has many features, we'll be having features like uh, we'll be taking an input from the user, which is BHK, bedrooms, bathrooms, and everything. Depending on that inputs, we will be predicting an house price model on that aspect. Welcome to our application. This is our app where we'll be giving the user different credentials he could enter, namely the email ID and password. So the user could enter his email ID, and he'll be entering a secured password. And the user could be very trusted with our app, as we would be saving this credentials very secure in our database, which is Firebase. And we are even giving an option for Google, Facebook, Instagram, and the Apple login ID. In case if the user forgets the password, he could go through the user he could go to the forget password, where the forget password would ask his required registered email, and we would be sending a mail to his user we would be sending a mail to his account, so that he could refactor or generate a new password. And here, this is our basic interface, where we would be telling a gist of our application, like what is our app about, and give a proper skip and instruction to the user. So yes, this is our home page, where we will be having different categories. You could see the new ventures coming into the city of Bengaluru. In the recommendation, we could have the different type of houses and apartments categorized into different sectors. On the top, you could even see the location sector, where we have different like major places where majority of the people are looking to buy houses. Okay, and in the below, you could see our major aspect of our application, which is predict the price, where we would be taking the input from the customers. And in case if the customer likes a particular society, or particular apartment, he could just save it, or he could add it to the wish list, which we're currently developing. Then coming to our recommendation sector, we have the houses, where you could see different kinds of houses which are newly on the market, which are newly listed on the market, so that we can even see the prices for each. And even we have the apartment size, we have the total BHK in the apartment, the name of the apartment, and to be specific, we even have the location where the apartment is located. And on that, we have this unique option, which is enquire owner, so that on pressing that, we would be giving the details of the owner, like the way to contact him, or we could even give him the email credentials, so that the users could just go through, just contact if the person likes the apartment. Coming to the home page, we even have the news option. This is the news of the city of Bengaluru, where we have different newses, which is mostly related to real estate. Like if there is a new metro station coming to a new location, we would be adding that. And actually, this could even have the user give an understanding, so that if a new metro is coming to a location, then the area could lead to a better development. And even we are giving an option of dark mode specific to this page, as this dark mode enables a good interface to the user, so that he could have a good reading ability and he could understand the words more with more clarity. And coming to main profile page, we have an icon as my profile, and you could see that this is the email which you have entered in the starting of in the starting login page, and you could see that being reflected over here in the this page. And in this page we are even giving you an option of dark mode, where you could change the whole UI to darker mode or the light mode. This preference depends on your thing. And apart from that, we have different functions, like we have the notification function, where different kinds of notification related to app are coming to this UI, where you could see the notification one is successfully signed into the application, which we did 2 minutes ago. And we have a welcome notification and happy to have you on our site notification. And again, coming back to our main page, now let me show you the main prediction where the app is truly based on this criteria. Yes, in this is the main, where we would be taking different inputs from the user. Mainly, first we will be taking the location. Currently now it's Whitefield. We will be taking the area type, different types of area, and apart from that, we would be even taking square feet, bathrooms, BHK, and balcony. And all this play a very crucial role in predicting the price. That's pretty much on our on our MAD application. Now coming to the ML part, you could see that we are understanding the data. This is a CRISP-DM model, where we are different processes on developing the model. We are preparing the data, then we are using different models like linear regression, decision tree, and etc. And we are evaluating and deploying them on our application. So that's pretty much, and I would like to conclude, and thanks for hearing us. Thank you.